Hey, do you know Google has launched its new AI model? It's called Google Notebooklm. This is the best available AI for research and content writing. If you are a researcher, this is a game changer for you. You can research on any topic from your own sources. So in our today's video, let's see the complete tutorial of Notebooklm, and let's start our today's video. First, in your browser, search notebooklm.google. Then you will land to this page. Then click on Try Notebooklm, and then with your Gmail account, create an account here. When you create an account here for the first time, you will see this interface. Just skip all of this and then click on Create. Or from this interface, from the left side menu, you will find Source. Click on this plus icon to upload your source file from where you want to research. You can upload the PDF of your source file from this Upload Sources section. Here I am uploading a PDF of a book called The Atomic Habit. You can use any copied text as your source. Here, if you click on the plus icon, you will see a section called Paste Text. Click here and then you will find a box. In that box, just paste your copied text. Then click on Insert. Here you can see this source in the left side menu. You can also rename this if you want. You can also use a YouTube video as your source. Usually, there are many podcasts which is very boring to watch. You can use that video as your source and you can put out any information from that video. To do that, click on this YouTube section and paste your YouTube video link here. You can also use a web page as your source. For that, just click on website section and paste your web page link there. You can also use a doc file as your source. For that, click on the Google Docs section and then select the document from there. You can use 50 sources here, which is more than enough. This uses Google's Gemini AI model, but instead of finding an information from the web, it finds from your sources, which helps a lot in your research. The difference between ChatGPT and Notebooklm is ChatGPT finds information from the web and it finds information from your sources. Beside every source, you will find a checkbox. You can select all the sources at once, or you can select a particular source from where you want to find an information. Here I am selecting the YouTube video source, and then you can see a message box in the bottom of the screen. Here I am writing, give me all the key points from this source. Then I will click on this arrow icon and you can see it gives me all the key points from that video within seconds. To save this, click on Save to Note. Here you can see your note. Now I will select another source. Here I am selecting the PDF source. Now I will write what is the habit building process in the chat box, and let's see what happens. Now I will click on this arrow and you can see here it gives me my answer from that book. And then again, to save it, I will click on Save to Note. In the top of the chat box, you will find some recommendation. It is suggesting me some points which I might be interested. For example, there is a point, what is habit loop? Let's click here and see what happens. Now I will save this note as well. If you want, you can use your saved note as your source. If you place your mouse cursor on any note, you will see a checkbox in the corner. If you click here, you can use this as your source and it will bring out information from this note. To show you an example, I will select two notes from here and then in the chat box I will write what is cue. Cue is a very important element to build a new habit. So let's see, can it give me the right answer or not? And you can see it bring out my question's answer to me as expected. If I want to know this while reading a book, I have to make a lot of effort and give a lot of time here. Here I can do the same thing within seconds. From the top right corner, if you click on share, you will see this box, and from here you can share this project with your friends, like the same way you share a Google Docs or Google Sheet file. You can also create a custom note here if you want. For that, click on add note and then write your note here. In the top left corner, you can see a 3-line icon. Beside that, you will find Notebooklm logo. Click on this and this will bring you to the home page. Here you can see all your notes. From here you can rename or delete your note, and to create a new note just click on this plus icon. So that was it for today's video. Hope you like it and thank you very much for watching this video.